Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix F124 not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First step is to update the graphics drivers. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open up the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, go to home. In here you just need to find the F124 and select the details. Select the spanner icon and you just need to click on the drop down in resolution and select the recommended resolution, and display mode select a recommended full screen, and under optimize for click on this pointer to performance and select apply to save changes. After doing it, go back and just minimize it. The third step is to verify game files and use launch options. To do this, you just need to open up Steam and right click on the F124 and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under the launch options and click on outside to save it, and then go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified, and just to close tab here. The fourth step is to disable overlays. Turn off any in-game overlays such as Steam, Discord, Nvidia GeForce Experience as they can interfere with the game. The fifth step is to update Windows. You just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The sixth step is to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down and select the download option and download it. And another link, Visual C++, scroll down. If you are using 64-bit, then you just need to click on this link and download it. And if you are using 32-bit, then you just need to click on this link and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install it both, and after getting installed done, you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.